Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Greetings from the channel again. This is very important, yet a bogus Shibarium website is costing Shiba Inu investors their money. This is horrible. I'm not happy about it. So pay attention so you don't get conned. Obviously, there are crooks out there when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Despite the fact that the majority of us are smarter than this, scams still happen. Just a quick reminder that only the beta version of Shibarium is currently available. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has a Twitter handle specifically for spotting scammers, though. Thank goodness for them, they are assisting us in maintaining our safety. Here, con artists employ Google advertisements to entice you to phony websites. Beta-dasha, shibariumtech.com is the route to Shibarium. In the link tree, you'll find all of the official links. Shibariumi.com is the name of this particular Shibarium website. It's a scam. Avoid clicking on those. Don't connect your wallet, especially if you click on one of these. They con you in this way, and they steal your belongings. People consequently report losing Shibs or other tokens on a daily basis. Please follow Shibarium to stay informed, but also consider Shiboshi or ShibYard layouts. It's critical to be aware of scams so you don't become a victim. So be very careful and don't fall for these right now. And anyone using cryptocurrency need to exercise extreme caution since there are so many different frauds out there designed to steal your possessions. Just remember not to link your wallets to anything. It simply is better. Just not to, unless you are absolutely certain. It comes from a reliable source, like a Twitter official who can be trusted. You know, if the link comes from them, it's generally a good one. Therefore, if it isn't verified, you simply aren't anything else. You should be wary, you know. We must discuss several crucial issues relating to the market. However, I don't like this one. I absolutely detest con artists. As many of you know, I've fallen prey to con artists. But the truth is, I won't let that stop me in the end. I won't let it derail my Bitcoin trading since, after all, we learn from our mistakes, right? We improve and become wiser. However, because cryptocurrency offers so many wonderful opportunities, I will keep working to improve as an investor and to increase my level of knowledge. Additionally, I'm willing to be patient in general because it takes patience to succeed at making a lot of money with cryptocurrencies. You guys are aware of it. Purchase in the downturn. Purchase at those cheap prices. That's how you make the big bucks, with patience and long-term holding, and allowing yourself to make the appropriate movements. And everyone has heard the tales of those who succeeded in turning thousands of dollars into millions. And the reason is that they handled their finances wisely. As a result, I've had some fantastic opportunities where I've descended to extremely low levels. And I'll keep acting in that manner. Therefore, we will invest as little as possible because we want to profit from them when they blow up. So let me just give you a brief update right now. Avoid visiting these phony Shibarium websites. Be knowledgeable and wise, and conduct study. Given that the state of the market as a whole is positive right now, it is crucial. Since there has been a lot of green today, this week might see a breakout. We have a Fed meeting this week, which has the potential to have a significant impact on the market. I'm interested to see how it will affect Shiba Inus, so that's something we need to watch out for. We do not wish to be left out. I adore you all. I appreciate you viewing, and I'll see you in the next.